A very warm and fresh good morning to all of you. How's you all, everyone? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, everyone, in this video, we will play one game. Okay, everyone? Now we will take one quiz. Okay, in this there are four rounds: round first, round second, round third, round fourth. Okay, first round is listening skills, second and third round is identification skills, and fourth round is rapid fire. Okay, so everyone, just we will move towards the round first. Okay, see, round first, that is listening skills. In this round, you have to identify the spelling. Okay, I will speak the word, you have to write the spelling of that word. Okay, like dictation words. Okay, everyone, so just take out one paper and one pencil and eraser with you. Okay, everyone, so I will speak and you have to write the spellings. Okay, everyone, so just take out fast one pencil, eraser and one middle paper. Okay, take out quickly, everyone, and you have to submit this paper in school. Okay, everyone, so just take out. I hope you all had take it out. Okay, let's move towards the first word, that is Cherrapunji. First word is Cherrapunji. Everyone, just write the spelling of Cherrapunji. Okay, I hope you all had written. Now, the second word is sparse. Second word is sparse. Second word is sparse. Okay, now we will move towards the third word, that is census. Everyone, just write on the paper first round and then write the spellings. Third one is census. I hope you all had written. Fourth one is unemployment. Fourth one is unemployment. Done, everyone? Again, first one is Cherrapunji, second one is sparse, third one is census, and fourth one is employment. So this was our round first. Okay, everyone? Now we will move towards round second. See, in this round you have to identify the states according to the map. Okay, I will show you the shape of the state according to the map and you have to identify that state. Okay, everyone? Okay, now just write the name of the state on the paper and over there write round second. Okay, everyone, so let's move towards the second round. See, this is the first state. You have to identify the name of the state according to the map. Okay, everyone, just write which state is this according to map. Okay, write, everyone. Okay, now I hope you all had written. Now we will move towards the next state. Okay, see, this is the next state. Just identify this state according to the map. Everyone, just identify this state according to map. Done, everyone? Okay, now we will move towards the third one. See, this is the third one. This is the third one. Write the name of the state according to the map. Okay? I hope you all are writing. Okay. Now we will move towards the fourth one. Okay? See, this is the fourth one. Which state is this? Just identify and write in your paper. You all have to submit this paper in school, okay? Write everyone, which state is this? मैंने आपको सिखाया था ना पॉलिटिकल मैप ऑफ इंडिया. So write according to that. Okay, I hope you all had done the round second also. Okay, so we had completed round first and round second. Now we will move towards the round third. Okay, see, in this round you have to identify the monuments and place where they are situated. See, I will show you the pictures of monuments. You have to identify that which monument is this and where they are situated. Understood everyone? Once again I repeat, I will show you the pictures of some monuments. You have to write the name of that monument and the place where the monuments are situated. Understood everyone? Okay, now let's begin our round third. Okay, see, this is our first monument. Everyone, see, this is our first monument. I hope you all know this monument. Okay, now I will give you one hint of this monument. This monument is in Delhi. Okay, so write everyone, which monument is this? I had already given you the one answer that it is situated in Delhi. Okay, so write everyone. Now we will see the second monument. Okay, see everyone, this is our second monument. So everyone just write the name of the monument and the place where it is situated. I hope you all know which monument is this and where this monument is situated. I hope you all are doing this quiz. Okay, I hope you all are done. Now we will move towards the third one. See, I hope you all know this monument. This is too easy. Every one of you should know. Just write the name of the monument and where this monument is situated. Everyone had written? I hope you all had written the name of this monument. You had seen already in the previous classes these monuments. Now we will move towards the next one. See, which monument is this? Write the name of the monument where it is situated. Write the name of the monument and the place where it is situated. Understood everyone? Okay, just write. I hope you all had written the name of this monument. Okay, now we will move towards the next round, that is rapid fire round. This is a rapid fire round. You have to write the answers according to questions. Understood everyone? I will ask you questions and then you have to write the answers in your paper. Okay, now let's start with the last round number 4. Okay everyone, so see the first question. People living in a particular place for a particular period are known as. Again, people living in a particular place for a particular period are known as dash. What are the people who lives in a particular period for a particular period? I hope you all know. Okay, everyone had written? I hope you all had written the answer. Okay, now we will move towards the second question. So see everyone. Second one is the difference between birth rate and death rate is called. बर्थ रेट और डेथ रेट के बीच में जो डिफरेंस होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? मैंने आपको सिखाया था ना. So just write everyone, the difference between birth rate and death rate is called. Just write the answer in your paper fast everyone. Again I am repeating that you have to submit this paper in your school. Okay, when you will come school you have to take this paper, okay, and submit it to me. Understood? Okay, now I hope you all had written the answer of this question. Now we will move towards the third question. Okay, see the third question. Which state is having more females than males and is the most literate state? Which state is having more females than males and is the most literate state? Write the answer of this question. मैंने आपको बताया था ना कि ऐसा कौन सा स्टेट है जिसमें ज़्यादा फीमेल्स रहते हैं मेल से और वो सबसे ज़्यादा लिटरेट स्टेट है. आई होप यू ऑल नो द आंसर. सो राइट एवरीवन. Okay, now we will move towards the last question of this rapid fire round. See the question number 4. See, this is the last question. Which state is the most populous state? Which state is the most populous state? I hope you all know the answer of this question. So just write which state is the most populous state. I hope everyone had written the answer of this question. Okay, now we had completed this quiz. I hope you all enjoyed this quiz. Okay. Now everyone just take this paper and put it in your SS books, okay, in middle of the SS book, okay, and then when you have to come to school you have to bring this paper, okay, and then you have to submit it to me. Understood everyone? Okay everyone, bye and have a nice day ahead.